Hello friends, welcome to the Titlezen channel. So friends, today I will talk about SilverStone KL07E mid-tier PC case. So friend, this PC case is designed for minimalism and quiet operation, featuring asphalt sound absorbing material applied to the inner surface of the front and side panels to reduce sound leakage. And friend, the KL07E offers ample externality, accommodating radiator up to 360 mm in size and expansion cars nearly 400 mm long, and it supports a total of 6 cooling fans, 3 120 mm and 140 mm fans in the front, 2 120 mm or 140 mm fans at the top, and one 120 mm or 140 mm fan at the rear. And additionally, it comes with two 140 mm fans at front and one 140 mm fans at rear at the standard equipment. And these PC kits allow for installation of water cooling radiators up to 360 mm in size at the front and up to 240 mm in size at the top and 140 mm size at the rear. And in terms of storage option, it includes 3.5 inch or 2.5 inch set base and 3 2.5 inch weights along with 10 expansion slots, and it is compatible with graphics card up to 388 mm in length, CPU coolers up to 170 mm in height, and ATX power supply unit of up to 190 mm in depth, and it supports both ATX and micro ATX form factors. And friend, for connectivity, the front I/O panel features two USB 3.0 port, one USB Type-C port, and audio input or output options. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.